And here's the right side, driver's side. Just want to show you just in case right here. Basically grab this and twist it counterclockwise to get it open. Like take it out, okay? That's how you do it. Alright. I bought the what's it called, the headlight bulb with 2 packs. So I'm gonna switch them both at the same time. I did all the passenger side already, and now I want to do the driver's side. So it's right here, as you can see. It's very hard again. It's right here. I'm actually gonna grab it, and you have to twist it to the left or counterclockwise to get it out. So that's what you're doing, right there. Twist it, and then it just comes out just like that. Okay. Well, this is still good, so I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna keep it and save just in case I have an emergency. But I'm gonna replace the new one anyway. So that's what it is. And all you do just there is a clip here. I'm sorry if I'm blocking it. There's a clip. You press the clip down, and then you just pull it out just like that. Okay, you can see right there. And then get the new one in. I'm gonna save this. Okay, I want to make the light even. All you do is just, you know, there's only one way slot that goes in. And just like that, pop it right in. And there you go, just like that. Okay, now you just twist it back clockwise. Very small room, and twist just like that. Okay, get straight. And twist. Perfect. That's how you do it. Alright, thank you for watching Tech Time with T. That's how you place the headlights for the driver's side and the passenger side. Part number is H11, about the Silver Star Ultra bright down road plus white lights. Thank you for watching. Thank you.